it. We lost the back door to the barn. It's gone. It's gone. Oh my God. And then this one is just flapping. Oh my God. We were hit by a tornado just now.
Set in there, right? Yeah. So I'll go backwards and you set yours down. You're right in the hole, huh? Yep. Okay. That board. like this. And
So our friend Todd owns TCB Auto, where we've bought all of our cars. Every time that we've bought a car in Illinois, we buy it from Todd for TCB Auto. He also does landscaping and concrete. So that's why we're using his concrete mixer, and he's here to help us pour the foundation for the garage door that we're putting in. Todd's making a level surface so that when he measures out the water for the concrete mix, it's a level measurement.
wheelbarrow will help it, so plug it a little bit more.
How many bags did it take?
20.
20 bags. Is that what you had calculated?
23, I think it said.
Oh, nice.
Calculations.
Looks absolutely fantastic. Next step after it dries is putting in our garage door.
Yep. Well, putting in the frame first.
The framing for the garage door.